everyone, welcome to Mystic Core Studio. In today's video, we are diving into an exciting technique, the crackle effect using the dirty pour method. This is a fun and dynamic way to add texture to your resin art. So let's begin. I am working with 2 square poster molds today. After mixing my resin and hardener, which is in a 3:1 ratio, I have divided the mixture into 4 equal parts, as I'll be using 4 different colors for this technique. For these coasters, I've chosen pearl white, pink, gold and blue mica powder. Once I've thoroughly mixed the mica powders into the resin, I'll take a clean container and pour all 4 colors one at a time, layering them on top of each other. Make sure to hold the cup at a slight angle to prevent the colors from blending too much. Now that I'm happy with the amount of resin in the container, I'll go ahead and pour it into the molds. You can either create a swirl pattern or simply pour it in the center and let the resin spread on its own. I'll leave these to cure overnight since the resin will continue to move and settle, creating a nice crackle effect. It's time to remold. The crackle effect turned out beautifully with each color creating its own unique texture and pattern. One of the great things about this technique is that the stunning crackle effect shows up on the front side of the piece right where you want it. Typically, you won't see much happening on the bottom as the effect is focused on the surface. I hope you enjoyed the process. Thank you for watching everyone. Stay tuned for more.